Types of RNN. Now let's talk about different types of recurrent neural network. First, let me show you one-to-one RNN. What is one-to-one recurrent neural network? It means that it has one input and one output. So graphically, we can represent this with a one input, with a one output, and with a single hidden layer. This is a one-to-one RNN model. It's pretty much clear from its name, one-to-one RNN, which means that one input and one output, one-to-one, one input and one output with a single hidden layer. This is called one-to-one RNN model. It is a very simple model with one input and one output and also with a single hidden layer. That's why we call it one-to-one RNN model. Let me give an example here where image classification is a perfect example of one-to-one RNN. Let me give you RNN model here. This is my one-to-one RNN model. So if I pass image as an input, it shows the same image here in the output. Look, this is a one-to-one RNN model with a one input and one output and also with a single hidden layer. You can also draw it perpendicular, like input here and then hidden layer and then the output. Or you can do it parallel, input here, hidden layer and then the output layer. Now, image classification is a perfect example. It is a very good example of one-to-one RNN model. Because remember, if you pass a single image, for example, it is a single image of a panda. So the model will do analysis and will check and will return the same image here as an output. So we are passing a single image here as an input. At the same time, we are getting a single image as an output. So we can say that it is a one-to-one RNN model. We put one input and we got one output. But don't forget, we have a single hidden layer as well. So for the one-to-one RNN model, we can take image classification as an example.